Hey everybody, this is a video on how to build a Weebly blog. So you are going to be building your own online website so you can post your essay as a digital essay. And though we're not going to be posting those essays today, what we're going to do is we're going to begin to create our blog. So to do that, go to Google Classroom and go to this document, Weebly How-To, and go ahead and open that link. You will get to this website, and what I want you to do, it remembers me, but it won't remember you. So go ahead down here to the G+, log in. Choose your account. Yes, allow it to know your age. All right, and this is what my homepage looks like, but that's only because I have one. But you are going to make your own. Well, you're going to do that by adding a site. Add new site. You do not want to sell online. And here we get to select a theme. So they've got tons of themes. But what I want you to do is go to blog, because we're going to be making a blog, and choose your theme from the long list. And there's a lot of great themes. I'm going to choose this one because I think it's cool. All right. So here's my theme preview. I look at it. It looks good. I see about Marcus over here. So this is the about section and all these cool blog posts. So I'm really excited to add this to mine. Now, of course, this is not my website yet. I did not write a website about spellbinding mythical short stories, but you're going to make yours about your own topic, which is really cool. So hit Start Editing up here in the top right corner. It's creating my site. In here, we're going to begin to actually create it, which is really fun. I want you to go all the way down here, use a subdomain of Weebly.com, and type in your subdomain. And I want you to type your first and last name and your topic. And if you look here, it says domain is available. Awesome. That means no one has this particular topic. But sometimes it'll flash red and it'll be domain is not available. Just try to figure it out. Add a 1 or a 2 or 3 to the end until it is actually available. And go ahead and hit continue. All right. Now we need to edit. So whenever you go, Weebly is really cool because it's super intuitive. Whenever you go around the website, things will kind of flash at you. And whenever they flash, that means you can edit them. So if you edit this, you can highlight it. You can go, Mr. Oak. And this background image, I can edit the background so that it's a different image besides that one. And the title of my website, I can name it something different. I want you to name your title after your topic. So the topic that you are doing in your persuasive essay. So if you look down here, there's no blog posts. So what we need to do is go to new post. This is how you're going to post on your blog. As soon as I click on it. It's down here in the bottom right corner. And this little thing comes up. So right now we're not going to make our blog post because we're not done editing our essays. But we are going to put 2 images in there just to practice. So what you're going to do, click over here, drag 1 image, and see how the line comes? Drop that image. Now click upload image, and you can upload image from your computer or a URL. What I'm going to do, I am going to download it from my computer. So you save image as, I'm going to type meme. The meme has been downloaded. And you can go to my computer, upload a photo, and today, under pictures, wanna be one of these. Oh, there it is under Documents. Select your image, open it, and boom! Upload complete. There is my image, and you do that twice. Now, whenever you're done doing something, so whenever you edit something or you're about to go out for the next page, this is really important. Always click Post, and always, always, always hit Publish. Publish. This is really key. If you do not hit Publish, it won't save. So hit Publish. Continue. There you go. My website has been created. Now, of course, you're going to add more to the background and to the name and to the About Me section. But right now, this is just an overview. And when you are all done creating your Weebly, what I want you to do is bookmark it. So hit the star up in the top corner and click Done. And it'll be bookmarked. Just so you know, this is what you need in all. You'll need all of this in your blog eventually. So just be sure to keep that in mind. All right, that's all from me. Be sure you have it done. Be sure you have it bookmarked, and I will see you later. Auf Wiedersehen.